Okay, now coming to the topic justify content. Okay, justify content it will do what it will do. Suppose if you have a particular content, this work in a I am showing about single line. We can see multi-line one example later on. Okay, so in the single line, what exactly it will do? It will align your content, not align. It will make your content spread in such a way that it should follow a particular methodology. For example, if I want to if I write flex, justify content flex start, it will start all the item from the beginning. Okay, so first item, second item, third item, fourth item. It will not alter its width. It will just with the same width whatever it is there by default. It will combine then and start everything from the beginning. So if I put center, all the things, the combination of all the four would come into the center. If I put at the end, it will what it will do, it will move everything to the end. So like that way it will define the alignment along the main axis. It will define the main alignment. Okay, so these three are the values. Apart from that, we have values such as space between, space around, and space evenly to manage the space efficiently. So what we can do, suppose we what exactly each one of the do. So space between, what it will do, it will put the first one at the very beginning and last one at the very end, and manages the space such a way that there should be an equal space between each one of them. Okay, space around, what it will do, it will put equal space from each of the elements. So here we have a, it will, suppose here it will put 10 pixel, here also it will put 10 pixel space till here. Okay, um, sorry, here it will put 10 pixel and here it will again put 10 pixel space till here. Okay, then in the B again it will put 10 pixel space here and 10 pixel space here. So if you see, the space here would be half the size of each of each of the space in between. So here it is 10 pixels, so here it would be in between 20 pixel, then here it would be 20 pixel, then 20 pixel, then again 10 pixel, like that. Space around work in that way. And space evenly, it will have a equal space between each one of them. So here before a suppose is 10 pixel, then here it is 10 pixel, here it is 10 pixel, here it is everywhere it's 10 pixel, like that. So space evenly is most used, or space between is are the two mostly used. There is space around because it give an what is a visual effect that it's not equal, like that way. Okay, the same thing in the column. If you see, I think some part is hidden. And the same thing in the column, what how it works basically is the same way. If you put here what we say space evenly, then it would be evenly spaced in the column. If you put space around, then it would be space around. The same thing in the column way it would work. Okay, so each of them are the column, and suppose if you can say as a div, which is a flex direction column. So in that way, this are aligned in a, this is start, center, and end, like that way. Okay, till here anybody has any doubt? Okay.